Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Either way, I am so excited you are here. I want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and to make sure to give this video a like. I hope you're ready for it. Let's get started. So in this video we're putting up the Christmas tree and decorating our whole downstairs for Christmas, and I will be decorating and rearranging things afterwards because let me tell you, I am not that good at decorating. I sometimes see videos from other people with a lot of talent for it, but I do like to do it. And as you can see, I am doing it together with my mom, so it's cozy vibes. And we did listen to some Christmas music while decorating.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh.
All of the Christmas decoration that we are putting in the tree comes from Aldi. So I bought that in 2017 as a set, and I've been using it ever since.
The sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
are wondering how you can support me and my channel, and that is by doing just the little things like being subscribed, like my videos, but also watch my videos from beginning till the end. That helps too. Oh, and I also have an Instagram account. It's also called cheerful.cleaning.hanne, so you can follow me over there as well.
Rudolph, my dear, the forecast ain't clear. Rudolph, my friend, now will you pull my sleigh? Rudolph, my man, you're the only one who can. Hold on, I got one more. Rudolph, my dear, Rudolph, my friend, my man.
Do you decorate your house for Christmas too, or do you not? Maybe you don't like to decorate, I don't know. And is your decoration already up, yes or no? I find that all the Christmas lights light up the long dark days, and it just brings a little bit of joy.
The city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere inside. And all of the presents
Yesterday was Black Friday. Have you bought something? I wanted to buy so many things, but yesterday I was just so busy that I couldn't really find the time to do it. But I did end up buying a new winter coat, so I'm excited for that. I'm waiting for it to be delivered. Oh, and we also bought a fruit purse. So, yeah, a juicer, it's called in English, a juicer.
Still by the tree, they don't mean a thing till it's here with me. If you know where it is, please give him a ride, and I will wait here by the candlelight, 'cause his love is all I need, and my love I can guarantee. So please Santa, bring
pretty. It's so cozy. I love it. By the way, we already got that juicer delivered today, so 1 day later. I expected that it to take much longer than it normally does, but it was actually much quicker. But anyway, we already used it and it was good.
The candlelight, but his love is all I need, and my love I can guarantee. So please, Santa, bring back my love tonight. Oh, 'cause his love is all I need, and my love I can guarantee. So please, Santa, bring back my love tonight.
As always, I want to thank you for watching, and I see you next week on Saturday. Bye!